everyone. I want to welcome you to the Melissa 6th Grade Center Library Orientation. I'm Mrs. Montgomery. I'm going to be your new librarian for 6th grade, and then I'll see you again in 7th and 8th grade. But I wanted to give you the library orientation so you know what to expect when you come down to the library this year. Let's begin. So, along with myself, I'll have two library volunteers. One is Jennifer Matheson and Cindy Prevost. They are here to help you, so please be kind and use your manners by saying please and thank you. Library days and times. I will be over at the Melissa 6th Grade Center on Tuesdays and Thursdays. The other days, on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, I'll be at the Melissa Middle School. After library orientation, students can start coming in groups of 2 to the library the week of September 21st during their reading or writing classes. So here are some library expectations. We are asking that students use hand sanitizer on their way into the library and on their way out. When students browse for 2 books, let's try not to touch every book before making your choice. While in the library, practice safe social distancing. If you are close to someone, keep your face covering up. If you are 6 feet away from others, you can pull your face covering down. All students should have their 6-digit ID number memorized. Remember to not eat or drink in the library, and all students who come down should have a pass. Your first visit to the library. There will be a table when you enter on the right-hand side with hand sanitizer. Please use hand sanitizer on your way in. Then you'll walk around, find your 2 books, and go to the checkout at the circulation desk. Say you would like to check out. Tell us your 6-digit ID number. For an example, 123456. Then on your way out, please use hand sanitizer, and then enjoy your books. All other visits to the library. There will be a table and a black cart when you walk and enter into the library to the right. Place your books on the cart to turn in. Please use hand sanitizer on your way in. Find your books and go to the checkout at the circulation desk. Say you'd like to check out. Tell us your 6-digit ID number, example 123456, and then as you leave the library, please use hand sanitizer, and then enjoy your books. Read, renew, and return books. Try to read and complete your books in 2 weeks. If you need to renew your books, tell your teacher and they will notify me with this information. So there will be no need for a trip to the library if you just want to renew your books. Done reading your books? Return your books to get 2 more. Need to put a book on hold? Just ask us at the circulation desk and we'll be glad to help. Organization of the library. The library will be broken up into 2 sections. There'll be a fiction and nonfiction section. One side will have fiction books. Those are your made-up stories or your fake stories. Nonfiction books will include real information inside of them. This also includes biographies. Other genres in the library are poetry, everybody reads, and graphic novels. Need to use a computer to look up a book in Destiny? Please hand sanitize before and after you use a computer. Go to destiny.melissaisd.org. When Destiny pops up, choose Melissa 6th Grade Center. Last, click on the Catalog tab at the top. You are now ready to search Destiny for a book. If you forget, there will be signs at the computers to remind you of these steps. Do you still have library books from last year? You will not be charged a fine for your library books, so please bring them back from North Creek or McKillop Elementary. Place them in the book drop right outside the library. Mrs. Montgomery will make sure they get back to the right school. Library crew. When our school environment gets back to normal, we plan to add a library crew where students can help out in the library. More information to come later. Summer reading? Did you do summer reading through the Melissa Public Library? Tell your teacher so she can let Mrs. Montgomery know. And that concludes our Melissa 6th Grade Center Library Orientation. I'm excited to see all of you guys in the library. I want to help you find great books to read, and I know we're going to have a great year.